Check out this channel and take a look at the views on their popular videos. These types of videos are going viral nowadays, and you can see that one of their videos has reached 4.7 million views in just 11 days. If this niche is completely new and unsaturated, then I would highly recommend that you start working on it as soon as possible. So today, I will teach you how to create these types of videos, that too using free AI tools. To generate these types of videos, you will find our universal prompt in the description as well as in our Telegram channel. In this prompt, the first part is for concept generation, where GPT will automatically generate engaging and interesting concepts for you. The next part of this prompt is the master prompt, which will provide you with image and video prompts that we will use to produce our video. First of all, for concept generation, simply copy the entire concept generation prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, paste it there, and run it. After that, ChatGPT will generate 10 different concepts for you. In those concepts, you will get the topic, the story idea, and also the unique twist clearly mentioned. Based on your needs, you can select any concept that you find suitable. Now, suppose we use concept number 8 for video generation. In that case, we will go back to our prompt again. Inside the prompt, you will see the master prompt section. In this section, you will notice that there's a task area where a topic and duration are required. You need to enter both of these manually. Let me zoom in a bit and show you the topic section and the duration section clearly. In the topic section, you need to copy your entire selected concept, including the unique twist and all the details, and paste it there. For the duration, if you want a short video, you can choose 30 seconds or 45 seconds. And if you want a longer video, you can generate a video of around 5 to 6 minutes. Now, simply copy the entire master prompt, then go to ChatGPT, paste it there. In the topic section, paste your selected concept, for example, concept number 8. For this tutorial, I will set the duration to 30 seconds. Then click on Generate. After some time, ChatGPT will provide you with scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts. Along with that, you will also get sound design and all the detailed instructions. Similarly, you will get complete details for scene 2, scene 3, and so on. Now, first we will move to image generation, and after that we will proceed to video generation. For image generation, we will use Google Flow. You do not need to purchase any pro version. Even with the free version, you can generate around 100 images daily. Now, simply copy your image prompt, paste it into the input box. Below that, paste the story and camera angle details as well. After that, select your model and aspect ratio. Then click on Generate. You can see that the image has been generated. Once the image is downloaded, follow the same process for the next image prompt. Copy the second image prompt, paste it into the box, then paste the scene details below it. After that, click on Generate again. After some time, your second image will also be generated. You can then select the image that you like the most. Using the same method, generate images for all the remaining scenes. Now, let's move forward to video generation. For video generation, we will use YouTube Create. Keep in mind that YouTube Create is currently available only for Android devices, and it may not be rolled out in some regions yet. In that case, you can use Google Flow for video generation as well. By using multiple email accounts, you can generate multiple videos. So as of now, using YouTube Create, you can generate approximately 15 to 20 videos completely free of cost. Now, click on Generate Video. Then click on the upload icon and upload your first scene image. Next, go to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for the first scene. Paste it into the input field. Then copy the sound design details and paste them as well. After that, copy the mood details and paste them too. Now, click on Generate. After some time, your video will be generated. Then simply click on Use Video. Now, go to the last frame. Click again on Generate Video. Import your second image. Follow the same steps again. Copy the second video prompt and paste it below. Copy and paste the sound design details. Also paste the mood details. Then click on Generate. Now your second video will also be generated. Click on Use Video and it will automatically align next to your previous clip. Using the same method, create all the scenes, and in the end, you will have your final complete video. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the next video.